In this video you're gonna learn a way to trick your PC to use other types of memories as if it was RAM. So, come with me if you want a free RAM. Click on the Windows logo, type System and press Enter. Check out the amount of installed RAM. We're gonna use 2.5 times this value for the virtual RAM. Click on Advanced Settings. Click on Settings under Performance and then click Advanced. Now, under the virtual memory section, click on Change. This is where we gonna set the virtual RAM amount. Uncheck the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives so you can take control of your machine. Then just select your hard disk of preference and mark Custom Size. Now I think it's a good time for a fast explanation about how this trick works. Your computer is not as good as a T800, so it only has two primary types of memory. One is a temporary and very fast memory that we use to run programs, and we call it RAM, and the other is a much slower but permanent memory that we use to store our files. That is called hard drive or solid state drive, HDD, or SSD. We're gonna use your storage space as RAM, so programs that consume more RAM can run faster. If you have 4 GB of installed RAM, you're gonna type 10,000. If you have 8 GB of installed RAM, you're gonna type 20,000. If you have 16 GB of installed RAM, you're gonna type 32,000. I don't recommend going over this last value as it probably will not have any positive effects on your PC performance. You're gonna need to restart the computer to make the trick work. Here you go. Now if you right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, click on Performance and click on Memory, you're gonna be able to see how much confirmed RAM your PC can use. But wait, there is more. You can make your PC go even faster if you click this secret button right here and subscribe so you don't lose any other tip and trick of this channel. Thank you for watching and RAM Stalla Vista, baby.